What is going on, everybody? It is your girl Marquita with Team TRM coming at you with another video. And today I am actually going to talk about how you can convert almost any crypto you have into the crypto you need. So we are a part of this passive income space. We have a lot of different opportunities that we may be participating in to get some cash flow. And these opportunities may require us to have certain tokens. Now, if you're using a lot of the exchanges, you may be able to convert back and forth between some of these currencies. And in some cases, the currency may not be available with the exchange that you are using. So I want to introduce to you an exchange or a crypto converter that I've been using for quite some time now called ChangeNow. I also want to share with you that you can actually convert your crypto into any other crypto that you may need and get rewarded for it. So I see a lot of people talking about these different platforms, but I haven't really seen anyone talking about this specific feature, and I wanted to cover it because many people may not know. So my family always laughs at me because I am a person that always uses my credit cards to make purchases. I don't use a debit card because I enjoy cash back. And I feel like if I'm going to do the spending in order to get an item, I may as well be rewarded for it, right? It just makes sense. And to me, it's almost like getting some sort of discount for purchases you're going to do anyway. I feel the same way about the ChangeNow platform and their Now token. So if you're new, let me just explain to you exactly what this website does. So again, it allows you to take nearly any cryptocurrency that you have available. I mean, we're talking Bitcoin, we're talking ETH, USDT on several different networks. We're talking XRP or Ripple, we're talking Cardano, we're talking Matic, we're talking Solana, TRX. I mean, almost any crypto you can think of is listed here. And you can do the same thing and convert to any crypto that you're looking for. And I mean, you can type in what you're looking for. Let's say you need Tron. You can go ahead and type in TRX. It will process and bring up the tokens that it has available that it believes you're looking for. Now, this website is very, very busy with a lot of different information on it. I'm not going to go through everything because I feel that you can go through it yourself, but I did want to kind of scroll through while we're on the video so you can actually take a look at this opportunity. ChangeNow has been around and has been used for a service for many, many years. But like I said, again, I haven't seen many people talk about this feature. It gives you the ability to exchange your crypto. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen, you can do that without uploading any of your personal details. So you don't need to upload your driver's license. You don't need to go through some evasive KYC process to get the crypto exchange. The only thing you need to ensure is that number one, you have the crypto available that you're looking to send in. And number two, you're able to receive the crypto that you're looking to convert it into. Like I just showed you, there are a lot of different cryptos on different networks. So you want to make sure that the crypto you're converting, number one, is on the proper network, and number two, you have a wallet that can receive that. I do recommend using something like Exodus, Trust Wallet, or MetaMask because many of the tokens here you can actually bridge into one of those wallets. Exodus is probably the easiest to use. MetaMask is also easy as well. You just have to ensure that you are on the right network by switching through the different tabs that they offer. The second thing is you can actually buy or sell crypto as well using the many features that they have. So you can use it with use it with Visa or MasterCard. They also have Apple Pay as well. But with that process, you're actually going to need to do some KYC. So it's not buy and sell without KYC. You need to actually verify your identity in order to do so. So those are the features here. Again, I will leave a link below this video if you'd like to support the channel. It is an affiliate link. But if you don't want to support the channel, you can just come to changenow.io. It will lead you to the information. Now, many people just do their exchange right from the main page here. But if you take the time to do one simple step, you can actually be rewarded in their token. I keep saying that, but I'm actually going to show you right now what you you need to do. So if you click the link below or you go to ChangeNow.io, you can actually click this little arrow here, and it's going to ask you some very basic information so you can enter their premium lounge. The first is for your email address, and for you to set up a password, you simply click sign up. Once you do that, it's going to lead you into your back office, or you can hit the login button. So I'm actually going to take you inside of my back office. I'm going to show you the very, very simple interface. It's very easy. I'm going to show you exactly what the Now token is. You can look at the tokenomics as well. If you just click on Now token, you'll be able to see all of the details about the tokenomics here. Again, I'm not going to go through much of it for you because you can review it, but it's on the ERC20 network as well as the Binance chain. So Binance chain tends to be a little bit cheaper than ERC, but you do have access to both. In the back office, you will actually be able to send your Now token to your BNB wallet, okay? So let's go ahead and log into the back office. I'm going to show you what that interface looks like. And I'm also going to do an exchange with you so you can see how it is. I'll show you where the Now token is, what the pricing is, and then I'll also show you how you can use the exchange itself to convert that to any crypto that you would like. So again, my job here is to make sure that I'm providing value to you. So let's go ahead and jump into my back office. All right, so we are in the back office of the interface here. So as you can see, very, very simple back office. The only thing you need to really pay much attention to for the purpose of what we're trying to do is the exchange and the history tab. So the exchange tab is going to lead you basically to the same interface that you've seen on the front page, where you can exchange crypto or you can buy and sell crypto with your fiat currency, credit card, debit card, Visa, MasterCard, and even Apple Pay. So here is the exchange. Again, you can select virtually any crypto that you're looking for that you have into virtually any crypto that you're looking for to receive. Okay, the only thing you need is that address. So very, very simple. Now here it also gives you some advanced settings. If you click this, you'll be able to enter promotional codes that you receive through doing exchanges. So every now and again, ChangeNow will actually give you a promo code that you can plug in, and it will give you a little bit of a discount on the rates that you see here. And the refund wallet just basically says, hey, if anything goes wrong, I can actually send your crypto back to its source or back to a wallet of your choice. So you have that here. What I'm going to do is actually just share with you how to convert your crypto. It's very, very easy. It's very simple. And then I'm going to show you why I like this, which again is the Now token. So just stick around until the end. So today I'm actually going to convert Litecoin. Now I like Litecoin because it's super cheap. I believe the price is going to reach its all-time high when we're ever back into a bull market here. So I am collecting Litecoin. You can choose to convert any crypto that is available. I'm actually going to convert my crypto to Bitcoin just because Bitcoin is what's easily accepted and converted with the exchange that I use, which is Cash App. And I actually have another video coming out next week about Cash App. So you want to make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell notification so that you're notified when I upload that video about Cash App as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to convert about $2,500 worth of Litecoin. I might even do more. Let's make it 5,000. I'm going to convert $5,000 worth of Litecoin into Bitcoin, and I'm actually going to show you that process. Right now, I'm going to grab the information from my wallet so that I can plug in the details here. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed my Cash App wallet here for Bitcoin. I figured out that 52 Litecoin is what I will need for it to be $5,000 after fees. So I just went to Google and plugged in BTC to USD, and I plugged in the figure that they gave me. It's just over $5,000. It's actually going to cost me about $5,052.56 at this time. So once I have all of the information in, I have the amount I'm looking to send in Litecoin. I also have what they're going to give me when it comes to Bitcoin with the conversion rate. It shows me how much cash back I'm expected to receive, so 96 Now tokens. once I have all of that and entered any promo information that I have, I am simply going to hit next. And it's going to load the information for me to go ahead and transact with on my wallet. So as you can see, I need to send 52 Litecoin to this address. So I'm just going to copy it here, and I am going to paste it inside of my Litecoin area, and I'm going to verify. So MBS 9YD, MBS 9YD. I'm going to verify some in the middle as well, because there is a new scam out that they actually have very close wallets. So you just want to make sure that a lot of the information is verified. And just looking at it, it is. So once I confirm that everything is correct, what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to hit send on my wallet. It's going to ask me to verify the information again. You always want to double, triple check and the information is correct. So I'm just going to hit send. And so that is sent. So the next thing that we need to do is actually just wait for the deposit to start the process of being confirmed. Generally, when we have maybe one confirmation on the blockchain, everything tends to go through smoothly. So we're going to just sit here and wait. And I'm going to do the magic of editing here. As you can see, it's 3:42 p.m. I'll just pause it. Once it's finished, I will come back. All right, so now that the exchange is finished, it says that it took 7 minutes, but the confirmation on my side took a bit longer. Through the Litecoin blockchain, for whatever reason, the fee that Exodus used was low, so it took the miners a bit of time to get through it because they were not feeling the fee. So now what I'm going to do, once you get this screen, you can just hit start new exchange. It's actually going to take you back to the main dashboard here. I want to show you my history just so you can actually see the Now token. So as you can see, I'm not going to scroll through my entire history here. You can export your history, really good for tax purposes in case that is needed. It's good to keep a record and document of everything that you're doing when it comes to crypto. But as you can see, cashback hasn't loaded right now, and I think that's probably because of the time here, so we'll give it some time to load. But I have 957 Now tokens that's available to me. It is worth on the platform $67.45. Actually, it's more or less around 40 some odd dollars because the token price, I think it's about 5 cents a token right now. But again, as more people utilize the ChangeNow service and more people utilize this feature, we may see price increases. Not financial advice, but it is possible. So let's go ahead and hit learn more. And it actually takes you to the area for your cash back. So as you can see, again, 957 now. And I have all of it available to me. You can request a payout, so you go ahead and enter your BNB Binance Chain wallet address here. You can put in a memo and the amount that you would like to pay out. I'm not doing that anytime soon. I'm just collecting it right now. You could see the history of your cash back that you received. And then once you receive your cash or your cash back in the form of Now token into your BNB wallet, you can just simply use their exchange in order to actually convert. So you would just go through, hit what you're looking to do. So let's do Now token. So you can either do it on the BEP, which is what's available, or you can do it on the Ethereum network. So let's say I wanted to convert 900 tokens, which is a portion of what I have, and I want to convert that, let's just say, into USDT TRX. It will actually tell you as of right now what you will receive. Okay, so right now $45.98. It's not a whole lot of reward, but it's better than getting nothing. Usually we have these fees that come out for exchanging. We're going to pay the fee anyway, but utilizing this service and just doing those simple steps of creating an account, you can actually start to get rewarded and get some cash back for the exchanges you would have done anyway. And why not just take the discount, right? So hopefully this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give me a like below. Also leave your feedback in your comments below. And if you like this video, you may like the video that I upload next, and you can click that right now on the screen. But it's been Marquita. I'm with Team TRM, and I'll see you at the top or not. You decide. I'll talk to you soon.